There are a lot of different tools that you can build when you pull the current date and time in Excel. For example, here I have a list of homework assignments that were due today, and by nesting the current date, I can easily see who is overdue. So let's get into it because it's super easy. Now, if we want to know the current date, all we got to do is go to a blank cell and type equals today with an open and closed parentheses, nothing inside of it, and click enter, and Excel will automatically pull the current date. And this updates live. So if you go into your spreadsheet tomorrow without updating the formula, this will then say tomorrow's date. Now, if you're looking for date and time, all you need to do is go into a blank cell again, type equals now with an open and closed parentheses, click enter, and the date and time will then appear. Now, this last one is the most tricky, but we're going to work through it. And that's if we want only the time. Now, when you go into a blank cell and you type equals time with an open parentheses, you can see that it asks for you to specify the hour, the minute, and the second that you want it to display. So if I wanted it to say 6:30 and 30 seconds, I would need to type 6, 30, 30 parentheses, because that would be the hour, minute, and second. But we don't want that. We want it to automatically update with what the current time is. And to do that, we're going to use the function that we just learned about. I went ahead and I typed it out here, and feel free to pause the video if you need, because this might look like a lot and very complicated, but really if you just take a second to look at it, it's pretty simple. You can see here that we're still giving the time function the hour, minute, and second that it's asking for. But what we're doing is we're nesting in the now function several different times because we know the now function pulls the time live. So it's essentially saying, okay, give me the hour. And we're saying, well, go look at now. Give me the minute, go reference now. Then it asks for the second, and of course we say, go look at the now function. Once we do that, we add a couple parentheses to just close the whole thing out. We can click enter, and then the current time will appear. And again, of course, like before, this updates live, so once it's 8:02, it'll click on over to 8:02 automatically. And that's about all there is to pull the current date and time in Excel. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching.